We're here in our master bathroom, and we're going to be discussing how we can clean the sinks, drains. And so, Bruno, I'm going to ask you the sink here. What's the best way to have the pop-up plug come up, and what's the best way for a homeowner to remove hair and other stuff?
Well, the best way to clean it would be to actually remove the actual pop-up. I'd recommend, if you're going to be doing that and going to the actual effort, I would say seasonally, once every 3 months, I would actually take that actual unit out. But to get that actual stopper out, we're going to actually have to remove a nut in the back of the drain, which I'd have to show you by getting underneath this cabinet. You can actually go down with the tools. You can actually use a hanger just to get any of the actual hair that's actually clogged. Usually gets clogged in the actual trap at the bottom there.
Is that a really difficult task, or is that something pretty easy for a homeowner to do? Okay, great. I have a question a little bit around cleaning products, because I know that that's always a concern, especially when you have lots of kids or lots of girls and lots of hair products. With cleaning, we don't like to use caustic drain cleaners, and we definitely, if we have to use them, we don't want to put them on top of or leave them resting on top of the counter, because they can damage our marble or different counter surfaces, right? So what do you suggest, like with a Drano, if you absolutely have to use it?
If you have to use it, again, I would actually remove that top up and try and get it within the actual drain, so it doesn't actually affect any of the metals or the actual sink itself, porcelain itself.
Right, because then we also know that you need to rinse really, really well in order to protect the porcelain sink, or it could be a stainless steel sink, but we don't want to leave that chemical in there.